It's a totally off-topic video today. It's been 1 year and 4 months for this YouTube journey, and year 2020 was somewhat good for the channel as we crossed 10k subscribers. As the year 2020 is getting to end, so I thought let's set a goal for year 2021. So let's get right into this. So what you are going to see from Technspice in 2021? First is regular videos. As you know, apart from YouTube, I have a 9 to 5 job. So it becomes so difficult to manage everything as it's one-man show. It's like I am getting very much less time and I spend a very less time with family. But still, from year 2021, I'll be trying to post at least 1 to 2 videos per week. That's the very important step I'm going to take. So the second thing will be the non-review videos. If you notice in my channel, most of the videos are about unboxing and reviews only. So from new year, you will be seeing some more interesting topics apart from unboxing and reviews. Your ideas are also welcome. What you have to do is simply comment your ideas below or email me in my official email ID. That is technspice@gmail.com. If your idea is selected, then with that particular video, you will be featured as well in my channel. Not only that, also in my social media accounts as well. So the third thing is increasing the subscriber base. As you guys know, in 2020, we crossed the big milestone of 10,000 subscribers. So let me keep a goal for 2021 as well. So by end of 2021, I expect to cross at least 50k subscribers. But remember, to achieve this goal, I need your support. Without you, it's definitely not going to be possible. So just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And not only that, let's increase our followers base in Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And the fourth and final thing, what I am planning in this 2021 is to be more interactive in my social media handles. I don't post much of stories, I don't post much of the post in the Instagram as well as my other social media handles. But from the year 2021, I will be trying to post more content in the social media handles. So with that list, let's start our new year journey. Let's hope that 2021 will be fruitful for everyone. Let's pray for everyone and put this pandemic situation to a full stop. That's it for today. I'm Manish, signing off.